Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on November 26th, 2024. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet. Welcome to the Daily Do, giving you your space weather update as well earthquakes, volcanoes, and world weather. Always starting out here looking at our sun, as we've seen quite a few awesome events happening on our sun. Lots of plasma filaments, solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and we've got an incoming solar storm towards the end of the month. Having a look here at the last 48 hours incoming, this is where we saw the strong M-class solar flare. Active incoming sunspot region interacting with the Earth-facing sunspot region. Looking at the last 48 hours, outgoing big plasma filament on the right-hand side snapping away, and as well on the left-hand side, northeast region. Action happening on all quadrants of our sun, as posted earlier on the short this morning. Amazing images here. 304 angstroms brought to you by Solar Dynamics Observatory, mixed with daily events worldwide, pointing out all of these most recent events. Big plasma filament eruption there. And then towards the pole, North Pole region. And then again, northeast. Stay tuned. We have 8 sunspot regions that are Earth-facing. We also have a small coronal hole that is Earth-facing. So you can see that here in multi-spectrum. It is the blackened region there. Solar winds came in over 600 kilometers per second yesterday after being punched into the magnetosphere. Looking at 171 angstroms here. Amazing images of our sun the last 2 days, and 8 sunspot regions that are Earth-facing. Look at these sunspot regions in motion. There is a pretty big multiple sunspot region, and as well another big player coming in and has been pretty interactive with that multiple sunspot region in the south. Current space weather conditions, there are none to report. Solar winds are coming in steady right now at 354 kilometers per second. Solar X-ray flux showing minor C-class flare activity after this little frenzy yesterday. 3, 4, 5 M-class solar flares after the day. Solar proton flux is low. Geomagnetic activity is low as well. Awaiting our next solar storm. And having a look here, Space Weather Prediction Center, this is the most recent forecast model. Expecting a glancing blow 28th into the 29th of December, and then some more instability moving in for the 1st of December. 28th, 29th of November impact, and then some more instability first week of December. These models can be updated. This is the most recent, so stay tuned as they can be updated and changed by tomorrow. Having a look at ISWA Space Prediction Spiral showing the same thing, CME taking off towards Mercury in a southward fashion, but set to give us a glancing blow, 28th to 29th of November. Having a look at LASCO 2 showing the last 2 days of cosmic energies taking off from our sun, coronal mass ejections, solar flares, and as well a sun-diving comet, yet another one being spotted just today. Watch after the 25th and into the 26th. Going to see it slowly come into view here. There it is, and it looks like that's going to be cruising by the sun, not heading into it. Have a look at tonight's aurora forecast versus tomorrow's. A little bigger chance tomorrow night for some more auroras. Now let's get to earthquakes past 24 hours, as we started out the day with a sizable 6.1 earthquake here in Japan, northwest off the coast, Haiku. 6.1 followed by 4.9s and a 4.5, 5.4 there towards Kamchatka. Notable deep earthquakes here in Fiji region, 571 kilometer depth. And as well notable here, Stratford, New Zealand, 4.9 earthquake, 220 kilometer depth. That's a rare earthquake. So stay tuned. There might be something brewing down towards the Kermadex. South American plate, Nazca plate, Oval, Chile with a 5.1, and as well a 4.2 and a 4.4, North Chile. Carrying on here, activity still rumbling off the coast of Puerto Rico towards the Virgin Islands. Mexico with a 4.7, Guatemala with a 4.3, North American plate. Pretty quiet, but notable minor seismicity building. USGS is reporting 222 earthquakes in the past 24 hours across this map, but notable activity north and west of Yellowstone. And as well, notable activity Pacific Northwest towards Mount Shasta. And as well, Rainier and Mount St. Helens seeing some minor seismicity today. So stay tuned. We'll be having a look at the tremor map over the next 24 hours too, see if that starts building. And that's the last 24 hours for shakers and movers across this amazing planet. And thank you all so much for watching. If you're still watching, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. I appreciate you wanting to stay aware and prepared with all the latest events. Showing here the last 7 days for earthquakes. Pacific Plate, always a hot spot, the Ring of Fire, but notable strange earthquake. North Pole, Greenland Sea, and building seismicity Central America towards the South Nazca Plate. Active and erupting 70 volcanoes across the planet. Now let's have a look at world weather as winter is upon us. Looking here at forecast models across North America, big winter storm here developing for eastern Canada, Quebec, Ontario, and Manitoba. Long-range forecast showing it grinding up into the Atlantic provinces. Low pressure system moves in from the west. Colorado low develops in the long range and then gets set for a real winter wallop as the cold temperatures will be fueling down with these new systems. Strong system here affecting Atlantic provinces yet again. Over the next 7 days, you've got 2 winter storms affecting you. Winter is here, my friends and family, and extreme cold temperatures will be sweeping across Canada. As you can see here, forecast models in the long range towards December 1st. And as well here, snowfall totals for the next 8 days. Big low pressure system, winter storm across eastern Canada will be bringing a whole lot of lake effect snow. Watch for upwards of 60 to 90 centimeters in some areas off the lakes as they are still very warm. Not able to freeze yet with this little late winter intro. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe and healthy, stay aware and prepared, and stay young and have fun, and get your daily due. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye now.